Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to switch it up today and we're going to do some fun nail art. And the star of the show today is going to be this blooming gel, and we're going to do some really fun neon nail art. Okay, so to start off this mani, I wanted a jelly kind of look, so I'm going to take Porcelain here from Sundara Nails and just a little dot on that little palette there, and then I'm going to add a dot of base gel to it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same brush from Porcelain, but I'm going to wipe it off completely just to get that extra product off. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using the brush from the bottle, you can use like a flat brush as well that you would like apply pudding gel to. That's another option, but I'm going to apply this all over the nail here, and it's going to give it a sheer jelly kind of look. And this is going to be the background for our nail art. So I went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds off camera, and now it's time to apply these beautiful colors. So I'm just taking each color and I'm placing them in a slight line here on that palette, and then we're going to apply the fun blooming gel. So to apply the blooming gel, you are going to apply a thin, even coat just like you were if you were applying your base coat or your gel top coat, and you are not going to cure this. So then I'm going to take this flat brush here from Sundara Nails, which is perfect for this nail art here, and I'm gently going to glide the brush into these gels in an upward motion. And then I'm just going to gently, with a gentle hand, squiggle this polish on this nail here on top of that blooming gel, and you're gonna see it's gonna give a really fun pattern, and then it's gonna bloom out. So right now I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna add a little bit more touch of color, because again, it is gonna bloom out and it's already starting to bloom, and it's a very awesome process to see these colors transform into like this beautiful pattern. We already created a pattern with this method here with these gels, but it's gonna transform and it's simply beautiful. So this is what it looks like right now, and then you're just gonna let it bloom to however long you want. I let it bloom for about 60 seconds and then I cured it for 60 seconds, but I just think it's really fun. It's kind of like a neon smoke or like a tie-dyed effect. It's very beautiful, and this blooming gel was so fun, and I cannot wait to play with it some more to create some really fun more like nail designs. So now we're going to take Snow Moon, which is like a pinkish white here, and we're going to take a dotting tool and we're just going to make a couple flowers here on the nail, just kind of to tie it all together. This mani is giving me like groovy disco kind of vibes, and I'm totally here for it. So we're just going to do a little flower here. I went ahead and flash cured that first flower for 30 seconds, and now we're just going to go ahead and do that other flower here with a dotting tool. And I really like the Moon collection from Sundara Nails. It's a white, but it has like a pink undertone to it. There are tons of beautiful moon colors in this collection, and then we're just going to take a couple colors here. I'm going to wipe off that dotting tool, and we are going to go ahead and dot the middle of that flower to tie in these colors. And how adorable are these flowers here with that background with all the neon colors. I just really like how this mani turned out. Then to finish this mani, we're going to go in with a gel top coat. This would also look good with a matte finish, so that is definitely another option. If you like mattes, this would look awesome with a matte finish. But I cured that gel top coat for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I love how it turned out. I think it's so fun, especially for the summer. It's giving me kind of like these like 70 groovy kind of vibes, and I'm totally here for it. But I will go ahead and link everything that we used in the description box below, and I hope you enjoyed this quick nail art, and I will see you all in the next upload.